Okay, so for the P right here, this graph, it looks like we have an A and a K. And those, I think, are the two easiest transformations. Things don't get really ugly until we see a B and an H. Okay, so the 5, well, we should go in order of what's going to happen to the X. Like when you plug in a number to the X, you'd first raise it to the base 2. So we have base 2 raised to whatever that is. And then the very next thing that happens is going to be the negative 2. So we should take care of the negative 2 first. We should go in order. Now, the order doesn't always matter, but it does make things easier in the long run if we kind of follow that rule. So the negative 2, what's that going to do to all my points on the parent function? Okay, so here's that point, there's that point. Okay, what's going to happen to those? Well, the y values is what's affected with the a. The a scales the y values. The 2 would amplify whatever the y value is on the graph. So this one would become a 2. And whatever this is going to be multiplied by 2. It's going to become bigger, so it's going to move up. And whatever this is, it's also, let's see, like if it was 1/2, the y value was 1/2, we multiply that by 2, that's also going to go up a little bit. Okay, so we're vertically stretched. We're going to bring it up. All right, so we're going to stretch it up like this. Okay, but then we also realize it's negative, so the y values are going to flip. So instead of going up, we're going to go downwards. Okay, and we know this one is going to be 0, -2. All right, and then all the other ones moved up just as well. Okay, they all moved that way. So we have our vertical stretch. Then we have a +5. So we're going to have to take this whole function and we're going to have to shift it up 5. Now, what really helps us with sketching here is noticing or using the asymptote when we have to do a vertical shift. Okay, because the asymptote is at 0. So if I move this up 5, it would look like this. Put that right at 5. And then we have to move the points up. We have to move this up 5. That would change the y value. So -2 + 5, that would be 3. So I'm going to go up to 0, 3, and then do my graph. And that's it. This is the graph of P.